good afternoon. How you doing? And welcome to the Rockett channel. Today we're going to talk about something that is really cool that came out recently. It's called the Microsoft 365 Learning Pathways. This is a SharePoint lookbook template that can help you get more out of your Microsoft services by helping you create these learning pathways. This is a digital customizable learning solution streams on demand content for Microsoft 365. So in this lookbook itself, some of the site features are it has an on-demand custom training for Microsoft, a customizable learning experience. You can build a custom playlist. There's some web parts that get deployed, hero web part, news, events, and also a custom learning pathways web part. And the content includes, you can design your own tenant, but with the content that's included in this, you get a new site collection using a communication site template, an admin success center, and a custom web part presenting dynamic content. And I'll show you what this looks like. So you must be a tenant administrator to deploy this solution. So if you need any help with this, there's also some links. So if you go to lookbook.microsoft.com, this is where you can find the learning pathways. Once you add it to your tenant, this is what it deploys. It deploys a site collection for the Microsoft Learning Pathways, and you can give it your own URL when you actually deploy it. If you've never deployed a lookbook before, it's fairly quite simple. Once you're a tenant and you click add to your tenant, it goes through this process where you, just like when you create a SharePoint site, you have a site provisioning service that comes up. You can put an email when it gets notified when the provisioning is complete. You can select which managed path you want to use, and then the actual site collection URL. And then you can also apply a custom theme if you had a custom theme. If you validate the URL, looks like it already exists. It's going to say to, and I'm going to validate that, and then I'm going to select my theme. I can select a custom theme if I have. I have some Valo themes deployed. I'm a big Valo user. I like Valo intranets. And then once I click provision, it will provision my theme. If I don't select the theme, and it will provision its own theme, as you can see here. Notice here in the pathways, you have some training. So already out of the box, there's some help that you can become a champion, feedback form, those different types of things. So if you selected Get Started with Microsoft Teams, it's going to take you to a nice page that has content. It can show you how to get started, quick team start. There's videos in here. These videos are actually being played. Really nice player here.
Microsoft Teams is
but it's a nice way to empower your users and drive that adoption that we're always looking for. And one other thing it deploys is this admin success center. This is where you can see the success and guidance or resources to help you plan, customize, drive adoption, and measure the impact of your learning pathways. So you can do that by, it gives you information on various site level impact, usage, and those different types of things. So nice admin center. So for you administrators out there that want to find out more information on how you can use these pathways, is a really good way to start. The other thing it does, it also gives you a way to custom a custom learning admin place here. You can actually add or remove content if you want to, which is nice. So you have other videos, you have YouTube videos, videos that you design in your organization. You can actually go in here and actually add other things. You can create playlists, you can create recommended information, you can create categories and whatnot. So this is a nice way to get started with your learning pathways. If you have any more questions, stay tuned on my channel, and I look forward to speaking with you guys next time. Thank you. Have a great day.